How to change Twitch profile picture on mobile. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Twitch profile picture on mobile. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Twitch application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you will be able to see your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon. This will take you to a new page. In this page at the top right, you'll be able to see Edit Profile option. Tap on Edit Profile and now from here you will be able to change your profile picture. Tap on the pencil icon at the right side of your profile picture option here and by doing so at the bottom you'll be able to see two different options. Take photo and choose existing photo. If you want to take an instant photo, then you can tap on this take photo option and then take a photo to set it as a profile picture. But if you want to choose it from your gallery, you can simply tap on this choose existing photo option at the bottom and from here select the image from your gallery that you'd like to set as a profile picture. Once you have selected it, tap on the tick mark at the top right and then you will see you have successfully changed your Twitch profile picture on mobile. So by following these steps, you should be able to change Twitch profile picture on mobile. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.